When it comes to staying on top of the dirt, dust, and hair that can accumulate on your floors from one week to the next, nothing is quite as effective as a stick vacuum. The best stick vacuums make it much easier to keep your home clean by being super lightweight and easy to maneuver into tight spaces in your home, like under your coffee table and behind the couch. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 stick vacuums on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Shark IZ363 HT Cordless Stick Vacuum. To thoroughly clean your carpets, the Shark Anti-Allergen Pet Power Cordless Stick Vacuum has accelerated suction that draws debris up and out of the fibers. The vacuum uses flexible silicone fins on its brush roll that are designed to provide constant contact with the floor, resulting in a deeper clean on carpets. The power fins also remove buried hair, but since there are no bristles to leave wide gaps, hair can't wrap around the self-cleaning brush roll. This means you won't have to cut tangled hair out of the brush after every cleaning session. The LED headlights on the front also help you to see in dark spaces, and the vacuum has a low-profile body that will fit underneath the furniture to help you clean areas of your home that tend to get missed. In addition to effectively cleaning carpets, the vacuum also performs well on hard floors. Number 2. Tinco Pure 1S15 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. No matter what types of debris are found on your floors, or how much, there are plenty of features on the Tinco Pure 1S15 Pet Cordless Vacuum to help you deal with it. We like this vacuum's single-touch dustbin trigger, which scrapes the debris from around the filter and pushes everything into your garbage can, making it easy to eject the contents without having to actually touch anything. When sucking up dust, crumbs, and dirt from your floors, the Pure 1S15 Pet Smart Vacuum uses its powerful suction and effective brush roll to pick up everything in its path. It also has a zero-tangle brush with V-shaped bristles and dual combs to trap hair without letting it wrap around the brush. This ensures that you'll be able to keep using your device for longer without pausing to cut long hairs out of the bottom of the vacuum, which is ideal in a vacuum for pet hair. Number 3. Tinco Floor 1S5 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. You can vacuum the carpet and wash hard floors without swapping out devices thanks to the Tinco Floor 1S5 Wet/Dry Vacuum. As you clean, the vacuum smart sensor can automatically adjust suction, speed, and water flow as needed to ensure efficient and powerful cleaning. It has 2 large water tanks, one for the clean water being dispensed, and another one to hold the dirty water being sucked up into the machine, to help you clean large areas without pausing to refill. The sleek brush roll at the bottom of the device can provide edge cleaning while vacuuming, allowing you to get right up to those baseboards and walls for a more thorough clean. This smart vacuum automatically detects the debris on your floors and then displays it on the LED screen along with the debris already cleaned up and the remaining battery life. Weight, 17.37 pounds. Battery life, 35 minutes. Number 4. Black + Decker Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. The Black & Decker Power Series Extreme Cordless Stick Vacuum provides a lot of power without the hefty price tag of other stick vacuums. The anti-tangle brush bar keeps hair from getting wrapped in it, so you don't need to keep scissors nearby. The vacuum effectively cleaned both hard floors and carpet during our tests, yet at just over 6 pounds, it's super easy to maneuver in even the tightest spaces without getting tired. Its built-in LED floor headlights are also convenient for helping you see debris on the floor and clean underneath furniture. For the price, we consider this vacuum to be a great value. Though it struggled a bit on the high-pile carpet, high suction was too powerful, but once we lowered the setting it ran smoothly. The vacuum removed all the debris within 60 seconds on every floor type we tried it on. Number 5. LG Cord Zero Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If your home is made up of mostly hard floors, you likely know how difficult it can be to find a vacuum capable of picking up debris instead of merely pushing it around. The LG Cord Zero A9 Stick Vacuum's floor nozzle can thoroughly clean hardwood floors, but it's soft enough to avoid scratching the floors in the process. The adjustable wand lets you find the most comfortable and ergonomic position for vacuuming, and it can also be used to help clean drapes and the tops of tall cabinets. 2 swappable batteries are included for a total 80-minute run time. And the vacuum cleaner has a regular and turbo mode for tackling particularly dirty parts of your carpet or hard floors. When it's being used as a handheld, you can use the bedding power punch nozzle for upholstery and mattresses, or swap in the crevice attachment or 2-in-1 brush tool for hard-to-access corners. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.